In this video, we'll be covering the new Kea Client Class management capability in version 10.5 of Micetro. Now, I'm here in the Admin tab under Service Management, and since this is a Kea capability, I'm going to go ahead and click on Kea so I can see all of my Kea servers. Now, if I click on the meatball menu of my Kea server, I can go to Manage Client Classes. We see there's already one in there for our voice over IP devices, but we're going to go ahead and add a new one. Using create, we'll give it a name. We'll call it scanners. And this should apply to all scanners in the warehouse. And then we'll define an expression to use so that Micetro knows, or so that Kea knows, what devices to apply these configurations to. Now we've used this expression with option 60. Option 60 in the DHCP options is our vendor client class. We've said if the first 5 characters are equal to zebra, zebra being a common vendor for scanners, then it should get the following settings. Now, if I were trying to do this just with Kea, not going through Micetro, I would have to do this on each Kea server. But with Micetro, I can click this global flag right here, and it will actually replicate all of these configurations to all of my Kea DHCP servers. Now, if I click on options, I can set, which router it should use or which time server option it should use. I can go to boot P and I can tell it to use this server to find the correct configuration file. And then I can go ahead and create. And I can always add a comment to tell people why I created this client classification. So now I've saved it. I see that I have, yes, a global scanners client classification. We'll go ahead and close. Now if I go to IPAM, and actually click on the services down here, I know DHCP3 is my Kea server, and then I can click on any of these scopes and assign a client classification. In fact, I can click on multiple scopes and assign a client classification. Pick which one should be assigned here and save. Now there are a few other use cases that we can have if I go back into my admin service management tab and show manage client classes again. If I were to create a new one, I can do built in, for example, and use keywords. Now, if I have unknown people that have not signed on to the network, for example, on my guest wireless DHCP scopes, I can go ahead and give them maybe a different website that they're directed to for their first time to create an account or fill out some necessary information, and then that dumps them into the regular network. There are all sorts of use cases for Kea client classifications, but that is the end of our demo for today. Thanks for watching.